Create viral TikTok affiliate videos without the product, AI tool. Creating viral TikTok affiliate videos without the product is a great way to tap into the TikTok shop and affiliate marketing opportunities. In this video, I'll show you how to create effective videos using an AI software called Creatify AI. This tool allows you to paste the URL of any product and generate a video ready for upload to TikTok. Here's how to use it to maximize conversions and sales. First, you need to identify a product that fits your niche and has proven success. This ensures your efforts target an audience already interested in similar items. For instance, if you run a fitness page, look for popular items like wrist straps or creatine supplements that are already trending. Once you've selected a product, Creatify AI helps you quickly create high-quality videos. This method allows you to test multiple products without investing heavily in video production. Simply search for the product in the product marketplace, add it to your showcase, and use the AI to generate videos based on successful examples you find. It's crucial to ensure the product you choose has sufficient stock to meet demand. TikTok's marketplace also shows you videos that have already driven sales for the product, providing a blueprint for your content. Mimic successful videos with slight variations to capture similar results. For beginners, start with lower-priced products to facilitate easier conversions. As you gain experience and see what works, you can scale up and reinvest profits into more complex or higher-priced items, either by creating user-generated content or outsourcing production. By leveraging AI tools like Creatify AI, you can streamline video creation, test products quickly, and enhance your chances of making sales on TikTok.